Engage your senses. Come close to water. Experience bathrooms that understand you. Welcome to the first ever collection of complete bathroom solutions from Bathsense by Asian Paints. With the long-standing expertise of Asian Paints, Bathsense as a brand brings to you a carefully curated collection of beautifully designed faucets and sanitary ware. Bathsense understands your bathroom expectations and uses art, science and technology to give smart and sensible solutions. Bathsense faucets feature a seamless blend of design, flow, finish and functionality. Powered by expert craftsmanship and cutting-edge science, each range has unique features that add to its appeal and function. A powerful water flow that provides a truly fulfilling water experience because of the 3/4-inch spindle that works even at low pressure, combined with a plating technology designed to give a long-lasting mirror-like finish. You can turn the two-flow aerator for either foam flow or shower-like spray flow. This aerator also saves water by as much as 50%. The single-click angle cock is a unique and exclusive design available only with Asian Paints. Not only does it look beautiful, it solves the problem of jammed angle cocks with its easy one-click operation. The self-cleaning shower removes the issue of jammed water outlets, especially in areas with hard water. Bathsense sanitary ware seamlessly combines thoughtful designs with smart sense and superior technology to create modern, beautiful bathrooms that reflect your taste and style. Powered by expert craftsmanship and the highest standards in quality control, Bathsense sanitary ware strives to provide you a hygienic, hassle-free and noise-free bathroom experience. Thoughtfully designed, our rimless designs are high on aesthetics, easy to clean and leave behind absolutely no dirt trapped in inaccessible places. The design ensures that cleaning could be achieved with no sweat, literally. Anti-germ glaze provides efficient protection against odor-causing bacteria for a cleaner toilet after every use. Our powerful and unique flushing techniques like siphonic flushing, 4D flushing and tornado flushing ensure that one flush is all that you would need in your bathrooms. The siphonic flushing closet uses a powerful suction that is not just less noisy than traditional washdown closets, but also is much more efficient. 4D flushing combines the power of 4 flushes in a single flush to create a powerful whirlpool-like flush. The newly introduced revolutionary wall-hung closet that is not only rimless but also comes with a tornado flush ensures that one flush is all that it takes. With this, you can say goodbye to skid marks. All our closets come with Comfort Plus bowls that give ultimate comfort for users of all ages. Long life and consistent performance from best in-class manufacturing and stringent quality and performance checks ensuring zero failure rate. Sleek, stylish and feature-rich, our unique range of minimalistic UF feather close seat covers operate with pneumatic support that eliminates noise and are 10 times more longer lasting than normal covers. Last but not the least, Bathsense is backed by Asian Paints Assure, our 10-year warranty program that is testament to our commitment to deliver unparalleled after-sales service at your doorstep. Bathsense is now here to transform your bathroom into the most stunning element of your home. Make the smart choice. Choose Bathsense. Bathrooms that understand you.